Schön, dass ihr da seid. Ich hoffe, ich kann euch den Nachmittag, den restlichen, jetzt noch ein bisschen versüßen. Würde mich auf jeden Fall sehr freuen. Und ansonsten legen wir jetzt los. Kinders, es geht wieder los. Top 5 Scary Ghost Videos that are disturbing vom 1.5. Das ist das Neueste. Ich will das die ganze Zeit schon sehen. Ich like es jetzt schon. Ja. Muss man noch irgendwas sagen? Muss man nicht. Let's go. Legen wir los. Ich hoffe, der Sound passt.
Top 5 Ghosts caught on camera.
Ja, der passt.
Highway Horror.
Hoffe ich.
One Sunday evening, Mitch Kuhn and his parents are driving down a busy highway
Endlich
near
wieder
Sydney,
Nuke.
Australia, when out of nowhere they have an absolutely unnerving encounter. Mitch captured the hair-raising moment with his dashboard camera.
Oh, sowas finde ich creepy. Lol, ja, okay.
Mitch explains that he was shocked when out of nowhere a child appeared right on the busy highway in front of him. He says that the child looked no older than 6 and seemed to be wearing a blue coat.
Ja,
Mitch Kuhn's
gut.
mother quickly calls the police to warn them about the lost child randomly walking on the highway. After hearing nothing back, 45 minutes later, Mitch calls again to offer his dashcam footage. But the officer on the phone informs him that the child has been found and that the footage isn't needed. And now here's where things get really weird.
Hey?
So after being reassured by the police, Mitch Kuhn believes that the child is safe. He posts his dashcam footage to Facebook and the video is picked up by the Australian National News. Reporters reach out to the police to get more information, and the police deny that they ever found the child. They say that they searched the area, but no.
The fuck? Ihm wurde von einem Polizisten am Telefon gesagt, hey, wir haben es gefunden. Und im Nachhinein ruft er nochmal an und die Polizei sagt, wir haben da nie was gefunden. What the fuck?
No child was found, and that there were no reports of missing children in the area. So could it be that Mitch captured something paranormal on camera? And why the strange reaction by the authorities? I'm honestly just not sure. So let me know your thoughts.
Ja, gut, I mean, gebt euch das.
I'm honestly just not sure.
Das Ding. Also, solche Szenerien gab es ja schon häufiger. In Nuke-Videos. Ich bin sehr misstrauisch. Aber ist auf jeden Fall ein nicer Anfang auf jeden Fall. So ein sanfter, kuschler Anfang. Aber es muss noch krasser werden.
The Oregon found footage.
Aber I mean, man hat gesehen, dass das wirklich aus dem Nichts aufgetaucht ist. Ne? Also das ist klar. Keine Ahnung. Oregon found footage.
Now this next video is a bit of a mystery as the source has been heavily debated on the internet. In the video, a man shows off his campsite in the woods of Deschutes, Oregon, when later that night,
Oregon's
things
Gravity
just go
Falls. Oh.
horribly wrong. Some believe that this footage could have been recorded by Jacob Edris. Jacob disappeared in 2017 and was last seen in Eugene, Oregon,
Oh,
after
this is
frantically
creepy.
calling his boss about being chased by someone. Others believe that the footage could have been shot by Chase Hove, a young man who also disappeared in 2017. Chase disappeared in the exact same area where this video was recorded.
Oh je.
But those are all just theories. Here is the chilling video.
Ding ist, dass, egal was auch immer da jetzt kommt, das hat jetzt mit echten, also es hängt jetzt mit echten Fällen von verschwundenen Leuten zusammen. Oh, scheiße. Okay. Überrasch mich.
Oh.
Alright, well, it may seem like a bit much, but here I am solo camping. This is Deschutes, Oregon. Well,
Aber hat er gesagt, wo das Footage her ist? Also wo er das her hat? Das würde mich interessieren. Sag doch Gravity Falls. Tobi, ich habe keine Ahnung. Ich habe Gravity Falls nie gesehen.
close to Bend, Oregon.
Aber ich glaube dir
the
das mal.
8-person tent, or the 6-person tent. I haven't pulled this thing out in a long time, so I thought first of the season I should pull that out, give it a go. about that time. Sun is setting. I think it's about 8 o'clock. Should be dark out here in less than an hour. We can get a little bit over there to the trees. Beautiful night. Definitely going to be turning in early though. I've been woken up by God noise.
Oh, scheiße.
Yeah, you can hear it. It's over from that side. Sounds right outside the tent.
Das ist so... Wisst ihr, was mir das für Vibes gibt? Das gibt mir Blair Witch Vibes. Und ich glaube, davon gibt es mehrere Verfilmungen. Die Verfilmung, die ich gesehen habe, tatsächlich in der Oberstufe, war im Rahmen von einem Projekt, war The Blair Witch Project. Und der Film, der war so unglaublich gruselig. Ich habe ihn gehasst. Legit. Und das gibt mir gerade solche Vibes und ich krieg gerade echt ein bisschen... Ich krieg gerade ein Déjà-vu. Scheiße, Alter. Oh nein, ich habe Angst. Das ist direkt vom Zelt. Oh nein, ich habe Angst. Ich habe Angst. Ich habe legit Angst.
That can't be. That's someone's messing around with the rocks out there.
Ja, da macht irgendjemand Lärm. Wenn du Angst hast, habe ich dreimal Angst. Perfekt. Schrei doch nicht da raus, du Idiot. Oh nein, das ist gruselig. Bitte, bitte film da nicht raus. Was ist da, was ist da? Was ist da, was ist da? Hui! Da war eine Gestalt. 100%. Oh, scheiße.
Flashlight. I can't see a god thing outside this night vision. Jesus Christ.
Oh nein, ist noch nicht vorbei.
I don't know where the chased me off. I'm wandering the god darkness.
Oh, scheiße, ist das gruselig.
Flashlight.
Oh boy. Das ist voll Slenderman-Vibe. Ja, ein Ticken. Also es wirkt halt auch krass gefaked so, aber es ist scheiße gruselig. So Slenderman-Kurzfilm. Halt wirklich übelst Slender...
Hier wusstet ihr schon, dass ich jetzt wieder aktiv auf Instagram bin und ihr mal vorbeischauen könntet. Link in der Beschreibung.
Someone or something makes an attempt to get inside the man's tent. He makes a frantic run for it and forgets his flashlight in the process. Because it's pitch black out, the man relies on the infrared feature on his camera. To his horror, whoever was trying to get into his tent is now standing right in front of him. And that's where the footage cuts off. And
Real Rap. Das wäre ein total guter Horror-Kurzfilm, ne? Es ist halt wirklich komplett auf Slenderman angelehnt. Aber irgendwie finde ich es geil. Es ist scheiße gruselig. Aber es ist geil.
the Point Pleasant phenomenon.
By the way, Tobi, wie geht's
Urban
dir
explorer
eigentlich
Chris Hill
in
from the
Quarantäne?
popular YouTube channel Urbex Hill is back for another strange urban exploration. This time Chris travels to Point Pleasant, West Virginia, to search out a creepy old tunnel system that is hidden somewhere
jetzt
deep
kommt ein
within
Tunnel.
the
Ja,
woods
natürlich kommt jetzt ein
surrounding the
Tunnel.
city. Now the small town of Point Pleasant has seen its fair share of tragedy. In 1967, a suspension bridge over the Ohio River, called the Silver Bridge, suddenly and without warning, collapsed under the weight of rush hour traffic. 46 people died in the tragedy, and 2 of the victims were never even found.
Ach du Scheiße. Seit heute eigentlich kaum noch Symptome und Quarantäne, ist mir langweilig, weil ich nicht aufnehmen konnte bis jetzt. Ja, Tobi, wenn es dir wieder einigermaßen gut geht, spricht ja eigentlich nichts dagegen, oder? Spricht ja eigentlich nichts dagegen. Aber ja, ist schön, dass es dir auf jeden Fall besser geht. Das ist eine tolle Sache.
The tragic event led to many strange conspiracies and legends as to why the bridge collapsed. You see, Point Pleasant, West Virginia is where the infamous folklore creature, the Mothman, was first ever sighted. There were multiple reports and sightings of a large humanoid moth-like creature that occurred in Point Pleasant throughout 1967.
Okay,
this is the same year the bridge collapsed. Some believe that the mysterious Mothman was a harbinger or even possibly the cause of the bridge collapse. After some scouting, Chris finds the tunnel system and starts his exploration. As he presses forward, exploring deeper and deeper into the tunnels, the water starts to flow more heavily, and the humid fog rising from the stream makes it hard for Chris to breathe. Many miles into the tunnel, it seems that Chris reaches a point that few other people have ever even explored, as there is not even any graffiti on the tunnel walls. And this is when things start to take a terrifying turn.
Oh nein. Bruder, ich hasse Tunnel. Ich hasse Tunnel.
Hopefully that's the end of the tunnel.
Warum macht der das überhaupt? Der ist so dumm, der Typ. Bei sowas frage ich mich immer, warum machen Menschen sowas? Wie blöd muss ein Mensch sein? Ja, guck, der will doch sterben. No front.
Chris hears a chilling sound coming from somewhere in the tunnels right behind him. He walks back to check it out, but he finds nothing there. Even though Chris is a little shook by what he just heard, he is still determined to press onward to find the end of the tunnel. And then he captures something absolutely terrifying.
Oh nein. Mothman. Let's go, Alter. Der Mottenmann. Er ist real. Oh, da ist wer. Hi. Wie bleibt der so ruhig? Ist ja fake.
Two strange figures can be seen peeking out at Chris before disappearing back into the tunnels. Chris says he could barely see anything through the fog on the water and was unaware of what his camera captured at the time. He says that he simply continued down the tunnel and never saw anything that could explain what he had filmed. So what do you think is going on here? Could these mysterious figures have anything to do with the countless Mothman sightings in Point Pleasant?
Hi, ich bin Mottenmann, ich wollte mal kurz Hallo sagen. Tschüssi.
To decide.
Ja, Bro.
On TikTok.
Jetzt kommen wieder TikToks. Geil.
TikTok user Dark Secret 37
Mothman, Leute, Ehrenmann. Morgen Creepypasta.
Living in Japan with her two sons. One evening in the spring when the sakura trees are in full bloom, the two boys make a video with one of their friends filming. What happens next is truly bizarre.
Bizarre. Ein Gesicht zwischen beiden. Hat er gerade gesagt, ich imitiere Donkey Kong? I imitate Donkey Kong. Why? Donkey Kong.
Did you see it?
Nö.
A hand wraps around one of the boys' legs. The guy who's recording is shocked and hurries over to inspect the area around the two boys. But there's nothing and no one there.
I don't know.
Japanese tick presence. Tommy Wells from Rockwood, Tennessee claims that paranormal activities surrounded him for
Last
years,
one, Leute.
even following him from home to home. But the terrifying events have now begun to affect his wife Leslie and their three children. The family has heard loud hoof-like footsteps in the house.
Scheiße.
Objects move on their own. And Leslie has even found unexplained bruises all over her body. One night they begin to hear strange sounds again. They record it all with their newly purchased camera. What happens next is downright creepy.
Neu gekauft, aber Quali trotzdem nicht sonderlich gut. Perfekt.
I don't know. We lived somewhere for 2, maybe 3 months, and it happens right back again. The water pressure's quitting.
It's what?
The water's just...
What's wrong with the water?
Oh, God, I just filled the cup up. I don't know. It's just quit.
What? Honey? What is going on?
Everything in the whole freaking place is just dead.
Ja, also tut mir ja leid, aber das kann ja einfach nur ein Fehler bei den Wasserwerken sein. Oh mein Gott, das Wasser hört auf. Geist. Das muss ein Geist sein, ja, ja.
Oh, what the frick?
Na, jetzt geht's wieder.
What the world?
Wow.
Find out.
What is wrong with the microwave? What the?
You know, what's
Ja, lol.
What's wrong with the microwave?
Hey, lol.
There's the piano again. Oh my God.
Water's quit again. This idiot out of here. It's crazy as
Okay, das ist weird.
somebody with me now, God damn it. Ain't nobody.
What is? What? What is that? Tommy?
What the
What is that, Tommy?
Das wirkt krass gestellt, ne?
This ain't leaving. I'm getting the out of this goddamn house is what I'm doing.
The water pressure in the house inexplicably drops. The microwave flickers and dies, and the piano in the living room makes a noise. But scariest of all, heavy clomping footsteps can be heard slowly moving towards the family. That's when they decide to just get out of there. Cut to another day, and Tommy and his family are back in their home to celebrate his daughter's birthday. The girl's cousins, aunt, uncle, and parents have all gathered in the kitchen as the excited girl is served her birthday cake. Unfortunately, this will not be a happy birthday.
This is Christina's birthday party, and everyone at it, there's Brianna, her little cousin, there's Haley, her other cousin, and there's her daddy Tommy,
Hello.
and here's her Aunt Misty, and here's her Uncle Joey.
What up with it?
What up with it? Alrighty, let's go, it's yes. Daddy lighting the candles.
So we can get you a little cake on camera so we can remember your party. And we'll get the happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Das ist irgendwie süß, ich weiß nicht. Die armen Kinder, ey.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Blow your candles out, girl.
She gonna blow it out? Yeah.
You gonna cut the cake out, Mama, or you want me to?
Go ahead, I'm running the camera.
Also, Real Talk, was auch immer da jetzt passiert, wenn das gestellt ist, also sollte das gestellt sein und die Kinder wissen nichts davon. Ehrenloseste Aktion gegenüber den Kindern.
Alrighty.
Daddy's cutting the cake.
Es wirkt schon wieder so gestellt, es tut mir leid.
For your birthday?
Oh God, Tommy, it's gonna start again. Oh God, damn.
It ain't gonna mess everything up.
He's gonna mess this up for everybody now.
Ja, aber das kannst du ja faken.
Come on, baby, come on. I don't know what's gonna happen. Come on. This is ridiculous.
Ich bin sehr, sehr misstrauisch, ihr merkt es vielleicht.
Messing everything in 4 seconds. It's okay, it'll be alright.
God, I can't. We should have had this at Jerry's house.
Okay, it might not
It's
do
just-
anything else, okay?
This stuff is starting again.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
You okay?
I'm so sorry.
Arme Kind.
Oh God!
What the hell is going on? Go to the front room. Go to the front room, girls, go.
Oh God! Oh my God!
Miss, ladies, get out of here. Come on.
Terrifying paranormal activity disrupts the happy celebration, upsetting the freaked out young girl. The family feels that the unexplained events have gotten completely out of control and plan to do a seance together in hopes of ridding the home of whatever is haunting them. It did not go well.
Down, I'm running. You guys can do the seance, I'm not doing it. I'll sit
Hey, you can sit there with us and do it too? You can sit in there with us and help us, man.
No.
Well, it's supposed to be 4 people with a seance anyways, I mean.
Lol. Lol. Krank.
Leslie, I'm sorry.
Dude!
Whatever the hell dinner's...
Wingardium Leviosa.
Tommy, come on in here, let's just...
Ich liebe diese Videos, ne? Es tut mir so leid.
Hold on, sit still just a few minutes. Just stay there just for a few minutes, just till Sam gets here. Sam and Tasey's supposed to be here in a minute. Turn his lights off.
Das ist das Ding an den Videos. Entweder man findet sie wahnsinnig witzig oder man scheißt sich ein. Eins von beidem. Aber das macht diese Videos so nice. Das ist gerade einfach nur funny. You're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Frickin' Nerd.
Yeah, hold on.
Wait.
Hold on, I'll go get it.
Bin ich selbst. Ups.
Tommy, let's do this right quick. Come on. Leslie, I'm sorry, babe. Come on. We gotta hold hands. Don't let go of each other's hands. No matter what we do, you've got to stay in the circle and hold hands. Don't let go.
I'm not part of this circle, man.
If you let go of each other's hands, it's got control of it. Hold on, man.
God.
Look at that. It's a friggin' water off it over here. Put the Bible in the middle of the hands. Come on. If they set them in the house, give us a sign, show us who you are. If you're evil, sorry, baby. If you're evil.
Ja, come on. Guck mal. Der filmt straight zum Bett. Und dann bewegt es sich. Das ist ja einfach gestellt. Woher will der wissen, dass sich das Bett bewegt und filmt hin? Nee. Sorry, aber das kaufe ich irgendwie nicht ab.
Jerry. Hey, God damn it. Hey, that's enough. That's sign it up, man. That's sign it up. Okay. Just get it. Let's quit. Turn this light on. Hey, Leslie, I'm sorry. What is that? I don't know. This is a new one.
Der Frau kaufe ich das ab. Den anderen nicht.
No. Are you okay? Oh, God. I'm sorry. Here. Get her a friggin' rag. Here. Let me see. Are you cut? Are you hurt? No. Tommy, Tommy. Hey, go. Wait a minute. Come on, man.
Das sind dann Dinge, die ich nicht sehen will. Why? Bruder, why? Twitch, bitte bannt mich nicht.
Take this off. Shut it in there. Shut it under the bed. See, it's got to be sitting here.
Ja, als ob ihr da jetzt was seht. Als ob ihr da jetzt irgendwas seht. I mean, okay. Vielleicht denkt ihr es auch, um zu beweisen, dass es kein Fake ist.
Family begins the seance. A bed moves on its own, even though family member Jacob is sitting right on top of it. Jacob jumps up in fear, but the bed still continues to move. The water faucet then turns on by itself. But what truly seems to terrify them all is that blood seems to drip down from the ceiling and lands on Tommy's wife's hand. Now Tommy believes that something demonic and evil has attached itself to his family. But what happens next will forever remain a mystery. Because, you see, these videos were posted to YouTube over 10 years ago.
Deswegen war
There have been
die
no
so scheiße.
updates since. From quite a bit of research, I discovered that the family eventually moved away to a new home. Tommy's son has shared that the paranormal activity has calmed down a lot since then, and has never returned to being as extreme as it is in these videos. So are these clips proof of poltergeist activity? Because the girls at the birthday party certainly seem legitimately freaked out.
Ja, aber das ist ein freaking Kind.
The family experienced real paranormal events, or I don't think the kids were in on the plan. But let me know what you think down in the comments.
Ja, das habe ich gemerkt, dass du kein Upload-Plan hast. Ja. Was soll man dazu sagen? Wildes Video. Ich fand tatsächlich das mit dem Zelt am heftigsten. Das war halt einfach Slender 2.0. Ansonsten... Ja. War in Ordnung, gell. War nicht das Schlechteste, war nicht das Beste. Durchschnitt.